What's going on, guys? Dan the Eco Man here. Just wanted to do this quick video. It's going to be install of the ZL1 add-ons Wicker build, and I ordered it from a different website, but they got it here pretty quick. So I went for my buddy to show up, and he's going to help me hold it in place and make sure I get the holes drilled in correctly. So it's going to be at the right angle. So let's go ahead and get started. Right, how do you like the issue?
Yeah. It has an arrow on. That's tight. You're gonna be going forward now.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, like that. That's an arrow forward, and that's backwards.
Okay.
Not that one. Those are the big one.
Get this off. Loosen that up. Let's see, those come right out. Those come right out. And these ones over here. Don't Hercules squeeze it. All right, long story short, pretty much got everything mounted up. Had to use a couple different screws. Had to use a Phillips one for that and a flathead screw for that, due to some rivet tool issues. However, it is on there. Everything's lined up. And yeah, she's looking good. See from the side.